Ito ang 5 life hacks to combat acne. So guys, may mga emerging research ngayon na nagpapakita ng profound influence of lifestyle in the development of acne and its treatment. And here are the 5 things na pwede nyong gawin to start treating your acne. So number 1 guys, you guessed it right, diet. So kailangan nating mag-incorporate ng acne-friendly diet that consists of low glycemic index foods that include your fruits and vegetables. Para naman sa mga nagkaka-acne, pag kumakain sila ng mga dairy, pwede nating iwasan ang mga dairy products and also iwasan natin ang mga processed foods, fatty foods, and specifically guys, iwasan natin ang mga foods na may high glycemic index because this can contribute to inflammation that leads to acne eruptions. Number 2 guys ay stress management. So yung stress guys ay nakaka-increase ng mga stress hormones sa ating system that can lead to acne flare-ups. So para ma-manage ang stress na ating na-experience, pwede tayong mag-implement ng mga stress reduction strategies kagaya ng meditation, deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and guys, baka panahon na para magkaroon tayo or mag-explore ng new hobbies and also i-reinforce natin ang ating mga social connections sa ating family and friends. Pangatlo guys ay exercise. So yung cardio exercises ay maaaring makatulong upang sa pag-maintain ng healthy balance ng ating mga hormones, and at the same time yung weight training exercises naman may improve insulin sensitivity, improving overall inflammation, positively impacting individuals with acne. And syempre guys, yung mga pawis natin, no, pag iniwan natin siya sa skin after ng exercises natin, maaari itong mag-contribute sa growth ng mga fungal components na maaaring mag-cause ng inflammation sa ating hair follicles, possibly exacerbating or worsening our acne. So kailangan meron tayo parating fresh clean towel para i-wipe off ang ating mga perspiration, and as soon as possible guys, no, pagkatapos ng exercise, i-wash off natin ang mga sweat sa ating face para maiwasan ang pag-flare up ng acne, lalo na mga fungal acne. So guys, quality sleep actually helps in regulating stress hormones which play a role in acne development. So maganda guys kung makakakuha tayo ng continuous, undisturbed sleep for around 7 to 10 hours. And we need to ensure na meron tayong consistent sleep schedule, relaxing bedtime routine, and at the same time, avoid screen times. Avoid natin yung mga iPad, cellphones, laptop bago matulog while maintaining a comfortable sleeping environment. And lastly guys, pag wala pa kayong ginagamit sa face ninyo to treat your acne, then maybe this is the sign na pwede kayong mag-start with a simple skincare routine. So pwede kayong mag-start with a mild cleanser or soap para ma-cleanse yung mga namuo na mga dirt, debris, and oil sa ating balat. And you can go ahead with a salicylic acid toner, very good for declogging pores. And try a lightweight moisturizer to help with skin barrier repair and address dryness. So basically, you can start with this. And kung gusto natin magdagdag ng mga bagong skincare ingredients or products sa ating routine, we can do this gradually, maybe after 2 or 4 weeks from starting your skincare. And of course guys, kailangan tandaan pang mag-a-apply tayo ng ating skincare, kailangan manipis lang and huwag masyadong makapal. Pero if ang mga hacks na ito ay hindi pa rin nag-work para sa ating acne, then probably we have resistant acne. Maybe it's time to call a friend, and in this instance, we can consult our board-certified dermatologist para mabigyan tayo ng proper oral or topical medications na kailangan natin para sa ating acne type. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye DMD Stunners!